Shiba Inu coin has been taking the market by storm and it still remains as the most searched and most viewed cryptocurrency on the market. Just let that actually sink in. There are more than 7.6 billion people in the world and the number one token that the entire world is looking at the very most is Shiba Inu. That's right, there is some big stuff. To be honest, I have had to hand it to the founders of Shiba. They have actually done their marketing pretty right and it's very clear that they knew what they were doing and what they wanted to do in developing this amazing meme token. Burning, as they say, 50% of their supply to the founder of one of the most successful cryptos in the world, Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, is just a genius move. By incorporating these massive names including Dogecoin, Shiba was able to actually get its name out there. I mean, let's be honest, there are a lot of meme coins and general coins for that matter, a lot of which no one knows about, but by essentially doing this name dropping, Shiba Inu has created a massive hype around their name which has led to astronomical increases in price. The huge loyal and cunt community backing this coin is literally pushing everything for the Shiba Inu token, and that leads us into the one massive piece of news. The Shiba coin community is pushing for something that would blow your mind. That's to be listed on the #1 trading platform, Robinhood. When I checked this petition a week ago, there were about 3,500 people who signed the petition. But the time I am recording this video, there are almost 52,000 people who have signed the petition. That's just huge, guys. The Shiba community is just unbelievably awesome. Now let's take a look at what's happening. Here we are on change.org, which is where people are able to start petitions on anything they're passionate about. This site's about instilling change, hence their name, and has over 400 million users. And as you can see, this petition was started by Tristan Luke to lift Shiba Inu on Robinhood. I won't read you this whole paragraph again, but basically they explain how Dogecoin, a similar meme coin, has been a huge success for Robinhood and its investors. That SHIB has been gaining momentum by the hour, and that one of the most questions people ask is, where can I buy Shiba Inu? I'm sharing this because the more people that share it, get people talking about it and signing the petition, the more likely Robinhood will lift SHIB. Basically, if you think about it like this, if Robinhood gets bombarded with the initiative to lift Shiba, they won't just ignore. Plus, they don't want their traders to be disappointed or even potentially see loyal customers take their trades elsewhere to a platform that lifts SHIB. Robinhood won't do that, as it is simply bad for business. If enough people start talking about it, sharing it, signing the petition, Robinhood will have no other choice but to bring the Shiba token to their platform. This is absolutely huge news for the Shiba. Like I said, Robinhood is the #1 trading platform, and if they indeed do get it listed, then what reaction do they think it would get? The price is going to rally so high on just this news alone, but that won't be all. If the outreach obtained from Robinhood, Shiba Inu coin will fully take off and continue to do so through this great momentum. So guys, make sure to go sign this petition. I have dropped the link in the description below, because the more people that do sign the petition, the more likely this will all happen. Now moving on to some other big news this week for Shiba, and that is that they have been broadcasted on Fox News. Here you can see a tweet that reads, "Attention Shiba Army, we have been broadcasted on Fox News. The masses see us. Institutional investors are starting to buy." So this is some crazy exposure for Shiba Inu coin. It's getting its name out there to the people that were not yet aware of. They're potentially buying up some tokens. Institutional investors are starting to buy as well, which is really great. It means Shiba now has a more of credibility rating next to its name, and it will increase the market cap. And the people who were waiting on the fence about investing will most likely now invest. Can't even explain how significant this is for Shiba. The amount of exposure they have gotten is huge. In February this year, Fox News was the most watched network in all cable, averaging over 2.5 million primetime viewers, compared to 2.2 million for MSNBC and only 1.7 million for CNN, and is also the #1 network among weekday prime viewers. Again, this is huge and has allowed Shiba to gain so much more exposure. The Shiba army was big, but now this is going to get even bigger. It's just going to keep on growing. It's just the starting. The Shiba army is so powerful. I think it's one of the most influential crypto communities out there and is a great initiative for the regular people. I've got another banging news for you. Just a few days ago, a brand new partnership was announced for Shiba Inu coin with Placent. Now, if you are not aware what Placent is a blockchain-based user-generated content platform for interactive apps and games. They have a variety of templates and features allowing creators to monetize their skills. Taking a look at the announcement here on Twitter through the official Placent page, it says, "We are thrilled to announce we have integrated SHIB on our DApp platform. Placent Global will develop payments infrastructure to bring additional utility for SHIB and then some stuff about getting the Placent token." It's basically taking the Shiba token to the next level from what was originally a meme coin using very tactical marketing skills to get their name out there to the success of that and such having the ability to start something real, something that could make them one of the top cryptos on the market. I'm loving this for Shiba. They have been doing everything right from a great strategy and like I said earlier from face value. Yeah, they can look like a joke, but if you actually take the time to research and look into what they have actually done, then you will see that the people behind this have actually strategically thought this out to create what could be a market leading coin. Now for a change of pace, in light of all this amazing recent news, Shiba Inu seems to be losing some steam here. We are having some dips. People are starting to say, wait, what's happening? We have some dips, it's crashing, it's over for Shiba, etc. My opinion, which is not financial advice, is that this is perfectly normal for Shiba token to have such dips. It's healthy market fluctuations and it's everything we want to basically refuel, take some rest, then go to the next levels and become even better. I can't give you a definitive time in which it will reach these new highs. That's extremely hard to say, but what I will say is the price is low, yes, meaning it's great entry point, but for those already invested and feeling frustrated, don't worry about it. It's normal, just leave it on the back burner for a while, let it do its job. Disclaimer, cryptocurrencies hold a lot of opportunities, but they can be risky too. As such, it's not a great idea to invest money that you need in short term. If the price dips next week, you'll need to be able to hold on until it picks up again. These cryptos are extremely volatile, especially one like this. So I suggest you do your own research, go to the Shiba website and learn about what the company does and how it plans to grow. Most importantly, make sure it fits with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. With that being said, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, spread the awareness of Shiba Inu coin to more investors so in return we can make more gains. If you like what you are watching now, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again. Peace.